Okay, let's see what our last step is here. We're going to create a 3D model now. Going to convert our 2D plan into a 3D plan. Just as a review, here I've got kind of a bubble diagram where I've got a hook. That means something to grab attention with. It's the rocket car model. And here is my rocket car video playing behind it. And as I see it, people will mostly want to circle about in this direction to go see the competition, see what it's all about, read about rockets, and then the thing about Tech Ed. So then that turned into this floor plan where I found some booth pieces and put them in there, and that gets things just about right. And so now I've got my 3D models to make. And so these are very basic mass modeling again. So I've made, here we see it from the right-hand view. I did an estimate of the size of the thing, and I found the dimensions of my little digital kiosk. And these are about the right dimensions for the panels that I plan to use. This is about 5 foot. This is about 3 foot. The height is 69.5 inches, which is what it showed. It's got 2 little legs. So very, very simple. I'm calling this a piece of carpet, 10 by 10 carpet that can roll up. Some people might like to put those little square things down instead, but this will be good. The reason I want carpet is I want to be able to run a power cord under the carpet, probably straight through the back, and put a little bridge over it so that I can get electricity up here to my video kiosk, and probably put a 3D printer on this table here. Those would be hooks, things that would grab people in. And then you can see I haven't put all the visuals on yet, but this is where all about rockets will go. And this is all about ARC Tech Ed. And if I go to my other view, this is about the competition and an entry QR code. So I've got it. It's a 3D model. It's basic. People could understand what I'm proposing, and it's labeled somewhat. But to do a little bit better, I've added one more that's got a little bit. This is a 3 foot wide by 7 foot tall graphics panel. So these are going to be graphics on here. A 5 foot wide by 7 foot tall, and here's another 3 foot by 7 foot. This is a 43-inch video kiosk. And this collapsible table, it's pretty cool. It actually does just collapse. There's 4 little posts and a little thing that wraps around it. It's a very, very cool design that I found. And then I said this is a carpet with electrical under it. So that is the simplicity that I'm looking for in your 3D model at this point. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. One thing that I did not do, this is just flat. There's no depth to it. So perhaps I'd like to bring it up like 0.25 inches so that there's a little bit of depth to it. Okay, but there we go. That is how simple your 3D model of your display, whatever your display booth looks like, right? I've seen some really great conceptual images, and you're going to pull it all together into a 3D model of what you plan to propose.